Good morning, my chickadees. Hey. All right. I wanted to come on and show you and introduce you to someone. StellaBug, this is Babs. Babs is Juju's new organized ideal journal. Now, it's not the typical ideal journal that you put your pockets that you've made in and you make it like a junk journal, and when you flip through it to get inspiration, this is uh my ideals that I have that I want to do, things that I see that inspire me, pictures from Pinterest, that kind of thing. We had the little Pinterest book that was all full up. So I took that and I found a little note. You know how you're watching YouTube something, you write a little note down, you click it and think, oh yeah, I need to go back and look at this, or you try to save it in one of your folders, that kind of thing. Well, this is where I collect all that stuff. So I had to try to get organized and get all my little scrappy bits and try to put it in one place. So I have Babs here. So this is my book plate front that I made and designed with AI. And stuck on there. So that's my own creation. I'm right proud of that. Well, mine and Al's. And put her, also designed her little nameplate here to introduce you to her. And then this is Luna, her little grandbaby, like StellaBug is mine. So I put Luna in here. And then I started covering it with just some scrapbook paper that I had that I don't use and may not be doing nowhere. So I thought we'll just stick it in Babs here and use it. So this is my notes on closures. I just made that little pocket with that, put it in there. And then I covered the back and I started here, and I just used scrappy stuff that I was going to get rid of, and scrapbook paper I didn't like. And this is all clusters. So these are pictures off of Pinterest that I have been collecting for years that I wanted to try. And this was back before I even started doing kind of YouTube, and so I did not save who created it, who did it, where the ideal came from, where the picture came from. I mean, it came from Pinterest, but I don't know who posted them. And so if anybody sees any of this and knows who posted these pictures, please put it down in the comment. If we go through Babs and you see something and it's somebody that you watch, or maybe even yours, just let me know. Here's a a frame with the tag and a person on the tag, and that was something I thought about doing. And then so I stuck that note in here. And then here's some more pictures of different clusters and stuff. So I just put it on some little journal and flip tags and stuck it in this little pocket here, and that's where I put those kind of things. On this side over here, some more notes. This is a fold over cluster by Kathleen Meyer, and it tells me how to do that. And here's some more pictures here. And then here's some more pictures of some more clusters here. And I covered that page. And then on this page, I just made a big pocket. Used some scrapbooking paper. And put in this. And these are paper clips. So these are different kind of paper clips that I was wanting to try. And this must have been way back when I was first getting started with Tina and Pam. And these are my shabby chic kind of ideal things. Places to grow, and this is stuck. There we go. This is pockets, so these are different little variation of pockets. No, dangles. I'm sorry. These are dangles and hidden paper clips. And covered it with some more scrapbook paper to kind of reinforce the pages, because this is nothing but a composition book, and it's one of those elementary primary sparkle ones from Walla World. Here is page edges and that looks like a matchbook thing, some pockets in here, tags, labels, notes on book page pockets, tags and belly bands and pockets, snippet rolls, the size for the belly bands, altered playing cards, labels, interactive vintage cabinet card tutorial, and it's a pop-up vintage cabinet card tutorial. I think that's from On a Budget, crafted on a budget, but I'm not sure. And then that slides in there. That's some more room to grow. And then this is a pocket. So these are all different pockets. And I just made, I had a 12 by 12 and what I put it on the page and what I had left over, I made pockets and flips and stuff to hold the stuff. So this is all different pictures of different pockets and some book page pockets from Pam at the Paper Outpost. These are some new ones because this is Pam's at the Paper Outpost. That's probably O's and Fusa. This one is Karen Brandon. And then I don't know what these are, but these some different ones. These don't have any names on them. And some more room to grow with that one. So those are all pockets I want to try to recreate some name. And I just kept the picture because I was just going to look at the picture and come up with some. And then this one is miscellaneous. This is like, I like that journal cover. This is some dress prints from craftyfox.com. That if I want to try those, we did that I think in a video. And here's some different ideals of some lace books and some decorative flip flaps and a summer journal and a waterfall. So these are different little things that I want to, try to recreate and try from the picture. And then we go over to here. This is my fabric page. You looking, StellaBug? Good morning, baby. I hope you have a good day today. And Juju loves you. I saw your comment. And yes, I'm getting you all caught up now. So I'm going to work on you another video tonight. We're going to finish up our signature and get ready to finish up our little page ideals and start making some tags and pockets. Okay, this is just a page. This is where I put my fabric. This is my Scrappy Cabin Shop. Now, she has an Etsy shop. I hope she's still in business. I heard somebody talking about her the other day. So I hope she's still in business because that's where I get my little seam binding and sari silk and stuff from. I love getting it from her. But my last order was a whole bunch and I hadn't used it up yet. And y'all know that I can't get anything else until I use up what I got. So here I just put, this comes from Junk Journaling Jen in my last order. So I just put different little fibers and stuff on here just to remind myself to use these. And then like this is that Chinese crafting fabric that I got that I like, and then that's her shop. So this is where I can kind of put down either my fabric names or my fabric, stuff like that. And then I put this down for trim and stuff because I hoard these things and I need to use them. So that's just kind of a reminder to me that I have that and need to use it. And then on this side I made a fabric flip kind of going over with the fabrics and stuff. So I just made a little fabric flip with some little scrappy fabric that I had, and then a page to put something about fabric flips down if I want to. Then I took my sewing machine and I did like 1,800 different stitches here. So I stitched across the top, and then I went down here and just did all kind of stitches. I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Looks like about 14 different stitches on my machine, and I just changed them and just stitched all down here and gathered up and stitched down here so I remember that I need to sew and use my machine more. And then just because I can, I put the butterfly little cluster here to weigh the fabric piece down on the corner and kind of hold it down. And then I put this one because I hoard these little things too. I mean, you can get them all day long from Amazon or Temu or AliExpress or anywhere. Um, so I hoard them, but you can get them all day long from those places. But I still hoard it. And then this is some of the first fabric I bought when I was junk journaling, and I bought a whole bunch of it, and I still have some of it. So I stuck that in there. And then I glued several pages together to make it kind of thick to hold my fabric. And that is as far as I've gotten with that. And then I put some tabs in the back. Because in the back is, I started writing from the back forward. And back here, oh, I bit that tab. Sorry, Babs. Back here, I have what I'm doing. Apparently, I'm doing a lot of projects. Left me some room to grow on that to keep notes on. And then this is the pages that we've done so far on our page ideals. And then this is different little notes on making my fabric paper of things I've seen, my painting napkins. This was notes on my mark making video that I did. And then I left some room, going forward that I could do on that. And then this is the list of things I want to put in my travel suitcase that Bonnie and I are doing together. And that is the back of Babs. And that is Babs. Okay, StellaBug, get you a little notebook or some scrappy paper and put it together, and we'll make you a Babs or Julie or whatever, Juanette, Alfalfa, whatever you want to call it. And we'll make you one so you can start collecting your ideas. But until then, if you're watching YouTube or if you see something and you want to try something, just jot it down. Take a screenshot and we'll print it out, that kind of stuff. And you can start your own little ideals book and collection like that. And it doesn't just have to be junk journaling, girlfriend. It can be anything. You collect your book and write down all your ideals so you won't have to try to remember them in your brain and you won't forget them. And you can always come back and look and try it when you've got time. Okay, and that frees your mind and energy up for other stuff. So, I will let y'all go. Bye, baby. You have a good day today, and I'll see y'all on the next go round. Bye.